Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. So today I bring you an Ulta and Sephora haul, products that I recently ordered, a little bit of new makeup, and then I think I have some repurchases. I don't even remember what I ordered, but yeah, you guys, I'm really excited. I haven't done a haul in some time now. You know, I get into this really weird mindset that if I don't have a huge haul to show you guys, like I just don't show it. But let's normalize small hauls. It's okay not to spend $400 or $500 on makeup. Okay, I'm just saying, with this economy, no ma'am. Anyways, with that said, you guys, I hope you're excited for today's little haul unboxing. Let's see what's new in makeup. And with that said, you already know, grab your cafecito and let's jump right into today's haul. Thank you to Dossier for sponsoring today's video. My favorite collection in this entire shelf are my Dossier perfumes. This is a brand that is an alternative to luxury perfumes. Scents inspired by Tom Ford, Creed, Baccarat Rouge 540, Le Labo, and many more starting at $29. My current favorite one is this one right here, and I'm pretty sure it's the one that is inspired by Versace Bright Crystal. If you haven't smelled it, you're definitely missing out. I am blessed to be able to choose from so many. You can do too and save so much money. Dossier is also now available at selected Walmart retail stores, which is amazing. So again, check the description box if you guys want to check out your local Walmart and see if they carry Dossier. Huge shout out to them. Thank you for continuing to support my channel, and thank you for this lovely collection that I've accumulated over the years that I've been working with them. It's just my go-to. All right, so first things first, we have Sephora and Ulta in one. Then I have another Ulta box. So let me grab my Sephora bag that is, no, let me grab my Ulta bag that is in my Sephora bag. My husband was kind enough to go pick this up as a curbside pickup for me. So I keep an eye on the Ulta app pretty much every day, if not every other day, to see what is new. And I saw that ColourPop added the Sage the Day palette to the Ulta website, and I personally really like ColourPop. Okay, I know that they're very extra with the way that they drop their collections, but it is what it is, and I enjoy their collections. So this is what the palette looks like. It is so pretty, you guys. Like, sage is a color that just became so trendy like the past years. And then for lashes, I love trying out new lashes. So I saw that Kiss came out with like a collection package. So these are supposed to be their best sellers, and I've never tried these. The Lash Couture Matte Black Faux Mink collection. I think these are called Matte Black, Soft and Matte. Yeah, I'm not sure, but this is what they look like, and I think these are maybe around $15 to $17, and you get 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs. They're really nice. They look really pretty. They're nice and fluffy. They have a little bit of like spikiness going through them, so I'm excited to try those because I'm always open to trying new lashes from the drugstore. And then this is a repurchase, excuse me. So this is the Bad Gal Bang Mascara from Benefit Cosmetics. I have one that I use literally all the time. This is the only mascara I will use for my lower lash line. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but this thing is dry. There's like nothing in here. And I was just waiting for me to finish it. So I ordered me a new one, and it makes my heart happy because for me to go through a whole tube of mascara, it tells you something. So definitely a product that I recommend if you guys are wanting to have, or if you want your lashes to look a little bit longer, especially me that I have short lashes on the bottom. It's a must. Summer is approaching, which means my oily skin is going to be out of control. So I decided to pick up the Fenty Beauty Invisimatte Instant Setting and Blotting Powder. I know this isn't new, and I know I'm late to the train, pero mira, I'm here, okay? Don't need to touch up my skin right now because it is very, very mattified. I did a Reels on the Maybelline powder foundation on how to use it. So again, follow me on Instagram so you guys can keep up with my other like little tutorials that I post. I also picked up the new Essence Pure Nude Baked Blush. Actually, I think this is new. I've seen these again all over TikTok and Instagram. This one is in the shade Pretty Peach, and these are supposed to give you more of a natural glow to your cheeks. So yeah, I'm excited to try this one. That is what I got so far from Ulta. The rest of my makeup is going to be from Sephora. I placed one order online and then the rest I bought it in person. So I ended up picking up 2 blushes. I've been eyeing these for such a long time and I was just like, I don't need them. And finally when I was in store and I swatched them, I was like, okay, maybe I do need them. So these are the Sephora collection blushes. One of them did come out of its little pot. I have the shade Fascinated and the shade Love Child. So these are very similar. This is a matte finish and this is supposed to be, actually they're both matte finishes, but this is a little bit of a hotter tangerine and this is more of a coral soft peach, and they look so pretty together. I've been doing this like ombre blush where I apply the lighter blush here and then darker blush, and it looks so pretty. I'll be sure to show you guys in an upcoming tutorial. I picked up 2 of the new Velvet Flex Cream and Cushion Gloss Lip Duos from One Size Beauty. Well, I picked up one and I picked up the lip liner. I picked up the shade Trade Finder, which is actually the lip combo that I have right now. And I like it, but I thought I was going to like it so much more. So let me give you guys a quick little swatch. The color of this is absolutely beautiful, right up my alley. It's a nice flesh tone peachy color, and then on the other side you get the gloss, which reminds me a little bit of the Fenty gloss. Honestly, it's very similar, almost. I guess you could consider it a dupe. And then I picked up the lip liner in the shade Out of Line. Now this one I think it's just not my color because I don't like it. I don't really like the formula either. It's a little bit on the dry side. I wish it was a little creamier, but that is the color right there. You guys know that I only wear like brown lip liners, which I know I need to like step out of my comfort zone. I don't know. It's not really my formula with the lip liners. So I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this or return it. But there's definitely better lip liners than this one. So I was a little bit disappointed in that. I picked up this travel size from Amika Beauty. This is the Volume and Matte Texture Spray. So since I haven't told you guys, but a few weeks ago, maybe even a month ago, I did a keratin treatment on my hair. Again, if you follow me on Instagram, you did know this. I did a keratin treatment on my hair because I naturally have curly, frizzy, unruly hair, and I was just so tired of it, especially having short hair, and I just wanted my hair to be, for me not to have any frizz. So I did a keratin treatment at home because girl, the prices that they charge you at the salon, not in this economy. So I decided to do it on my own and I love the results. My hair is super sleek, super shiny, super soft, but it did make my hair super flat. So now I needed to get something to give me a little bit of volume. I didn't know how this was going to work, so I just ordered me a small size to try it. If you guys have any texturizing sprays that give you volume, let me know in the comments because I'm always looking to try new things. Also, I laughed so hard this morning. When I opened this package because I didn't even pay attention. So Milk Makeup just released some new cream bronzers and I thought I had ordered the right size, but I ordered a mini one. This is the Stoked Swipe and Sculpt cream bronzer. I mean, I guess it's fine, you know, but I really didn't think it was going to be this tiny. I didn't pay attention to the price or anything, but this is what it looks like. I guess this is going to have to do for now. Ooh, that's actually really pretty. It is a little cool toned, which I will have to see how that works. I'm not usually a cool tone bronzer gal. So maybe I'll have to wait till they come back in stock and order me a different shade. I have 3 skincare products and yeah, let me show you what I got. So The Ordinary is a brand that I am sticking with for the rest of my life. As long as it's working for me, I'm going to use it. So this is a repurchase, the AHA 30% and BHA peeling solution. So this is a chemical exfoliant, and this will literally change your skin, you guys. I've been using this for maybe over a year and a half or maybe 2 years, and I love this stuff. It lasts me forever. I only do it once to twice a week, and you're only supposed to leave it for 5 minutes. So this just really penetrates deep into the skin, and it removes any dead skin cells. If you have clogged pores, anything like that, this is just such a game changer. I know that this is hyped, and it's hyped for a very good reason. While I was on there, I also saw that they had this salicylic acid 2% and anhydrous solution. It's for blemish it's for blemish prone skin, which I don't suffer from blemishes, but this says that it's great for texture skin, large pores, and excess sebum, which I have large pores and I am very oily. Right now my skin is doing really good, but this just helps kind of like clean the pores from within, and it minimizes the appearance of the pores. So I am all for that. And then the last thing that I got from The Ordinary is the 100% niacinamide powder. This is a topical powder. So I think you're supposed to mix this with a water-based treatment in the palm of your hand and apply to the face in the morning and or the evening. Avoid contact with eyes. I was looking at the reviews, and some people were saying that they use it with a moisturizer. So I'm going to have to try it, because I bought it thinking that it was going to be almost like something that I would mix with my with my face wash, but it's not. So I'm guessing that is what it's going to be, and that's what the powder looks like. So I'm excited to try this. Niacinamide has made wonders on my skin. I'm currently using niacinamide from The Ordinary, but this is more of a topical powder, so it's going to penetrate and stay on your skin longer. Niacinamide is great for a lot of things, for textured skin, large pores, oily skin, excess sebum, all that stuff. And the last two things that I ordered are the new Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Powder Foundations. Again, I'm seeing these all over my TikTok and all over my Instagram, and I personally really love a matte velvet powder foundation. I'm actually wearing all powder foundation on my skin right now, and it looks like a regular foundation, especially for us oily skin girls. I feel like these look and wear better throughout the day. So I didn't know what colors to get, and I stuck and matched it myself. So I ordered 2 shades. Of course, I can always return one. This one is in the shade 2N34, so 2 neutral 34. First of all, the packaging is just genius. It's so pretty. And then when you open it, that is what it looks like. Oh, that looks a little dark. That is 2N34. Actually, it might work, especially now that the summer is coming. And it comes with a sponge. So I am excited to try this. I will be sure to try it out on camera with you guys, but I will also film. I'll be sure to also film a reel on it. And then I got 2N26. So this is supposed to be lighter. I say they both look the same. What do you guys think? I feel like this one might actually match me a little bit better. And that is everything that I bought, you guys. I just wanted to show you some new makeup that I bought and just some repurchases, because repurchases mean a lot to me. It's really rare when I go through products, so if I'm repurchasing something, it means that I really like it. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It is the best way to support me and just show love to my channel as well. Alright, you guys, until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye!